Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right files and software. Make sure you're logged into Roblox and can access Create. Open the official shirt or pants template in your editor and set up layers, base color, details, and seams on separate layers. While editing, keep transparency where needed so the avatar shows through. Save export copies as 512x 512 PNG with transparency for decals and shirts. Once saved, you're ready to upload in the next step. Don't skip layer organization because it simplifies fixes later. You now design details and prepare to upload. Align the art to the template's labeled areas so sleeves and torso map correctly when worn. Once the PNG is final, export a test file and apply it to a temporary avatar profile to check placement and scaling. After confirming fit, go to Create and use the shirts or pants upload flow. Fill name and description, then publish. Make sure to preview the item in different avatar scales so collars and patterns remain consistent across body types. You finish by applying the clothing and adjusting skin tones. Open Avatar Editor to mix the new shirt or pants with a chosen body color or body part decals. If seams look off, edit the template and shift layers slightly, then re-export. Small offsets fix most misalignments. Once done, test on both R6 and R15 rigs because proportions differ. This prevents surprises. Troubleshooting tip: if upload rejects or misplaces art, recheck transparency and exact template zones. That single fix resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.